Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand app you click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Everand app. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.